AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. It encompasses the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, language understanding, and decision-making. AI can be categorized into two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, or weak AI. This type of AI is designed and trained for a specific task. It can excel in performing that particular task, but it lacks the ability to transfer its knowledge or skills to other domains. Examples of narrow AI include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems, and image recognition software. General AI, or strong AI. This type of AI would have the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human being. It would possess a level of intelligence comparable to human intelligence and could potentially perform any intellectual task that a human can. General AI is still largely theoretical and has not been achieved as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. AI is achieved through various techniques and approaches, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and more. These techniques involve the use of algorithms and models that allow machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. AI has numerous applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, entertainment, and more. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, communicate, and interact with technology, but it also raises ethical and societal questions that need careful consideration as it continues to develop. How to use AI? Using AI involves several steps, from understanding the concepts to implementing AI-driven solutions. Here's a general guide on how to use AI. Educate yourself. Begin by learning about the fundamentals of AI, including its types, narrow and general, technologies, machine learning, deep learning, etc., and potential applications. You can find online courses, tutorials, and resources to help you gain a basic understanding. Identify opportunities. Determine where AI can be applied in your personal or professional life. AI can be used for tasks such as data analysis, automation, prediction, recommendation, and more. Identify specific problems or tasks that could benefit from AI technology. Gather data. AI relies on data for learning and making decisions. Collect relevant data that can be used to train AI models. The quality and quantity of data are crucial for the success of AI applications. Choose AI technology. Depending on your use case, select the appropriate AI technology or technique. For instance, if you're working with structured data, machine learning algorithms might be suitable. If you're dealing with unstructured data like text or images, deep learning techniques could be more effective. Learn AI tools and frameworks. Familiarize yourself with popular AI tools and frameworks. For example, you might use libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn for building and training AI models. Pre-processing and cleaning. Clean and pre-process your data to ensure its quality and suitability for AI tasks. Data pre-processing may involve tasks such as removing noise, handling missing values, and standardizing formats. Feature engineering. Extract relevant features from your data that will be used as input for your AI model. Feature engineering involves selecting, transforming, and creating features that contribute to the model's performance. Model selection and training. Choose an appropriate AI model architecture and algorithm for your task. Train the model using your prepared data. This step may involve tuning hyperparameters, validating the model, and iterating to improve its performance. Evaluation and testing. Evaluate the trained model's performance using appropriate metrics. Test the model on new data to ensure it generalizes well to unseen examples. Deployment. Once you're satisfied with your trained model's performance, deploy it to your desired platform or environment. This could be a web application, a mobile app, or an integrated system. Monitor and update. Continuously monitor the performance of your deployed AI system. AI models may require periodic updates to adapt to changing data distributions or to improve their accuracy. Ethical considerations. Consider the ethical implications of using AI, such as bias in data or decision-making, privacy concerns, and transparency. Ensure that your AI solutions align with ethical guidelines and legal regulations. Remember that using AI effectively may require continuous learning and adaptation as the field evolves. Start with smaller projects and gradually work your way up to more complex applications as you gain experience and confidence in utilizing AI technology. When released